toddlers and playground safety. School bell rings and baby toddlers Leo, Mia, Noah, and Anna run outside eagerly with the playful puppy and the little bunny following them. See the bright sun shining above the playground while a curious kitten watches the toddlers near the sandbox. Swing gently on the swing set, holding tiny hands while Leo and Ava laugh and Mia and Noah clap. Slide down the colorful slide safely with a joyful shout while the puppy waits at the bottom and the bunny hops around. Play catch with a softball on the green grass while Noah and Ava throw and catch and the kitten watches. Count jumps while hopping in small lines carefully while Mia, Leo, Noah cheer and the puppy runs beside them. Laugh loudly while clapping hands together happily while the kittens hop and toddlers smile. Drink cool water under the shade of a tall tree while the baby toddlers rest with the puppy and bunny nearby. Rest briefly, smiling and wiping little foreheads while Mia and Ava sit beside Leo and the kittens cuddle nearby. Help friends carry small toys back to the play area while Noah and Leo walk together with the puppy hopping happily. Run around chasing each other with giggles and joy while the little bunny hops quickly and the kittens watch. Back to class, baby toddlers Leo, Mia, Noah, and Ava shout cheerfully while the teacher waves from the classroom door.